Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a brand new series. Don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but it's going to be something along the lines of the 1995 Super Season. Basically, there was like, what, 20 races in the 1995 Truck Series schedule. Actually, give me 1 second here. Okay, I had to turn Spotify down a little bit, but anyways, auto stages, we're using that today as well. Had to pop that back up. As you can see, auto stages is active. Stage 1 will end on lap number 19, so stage 1 is going to be a little quick one. And then stage 2 will end on lap 48. So, and then we'll have the 48 to 78. We're running 4X tire wear right now, just because we're running 25% race length. So it kind of makes sense to do that. So yeah, let's just try to get going here, and as the race plays out, I'll explain more, but here we go. First race here at Phoenix is underway. Loose. Hold on to it. Okay, we're good. That was just a massive mess of trucks there. Alright, so we definitely lost a couple spots there on the initial start. That's okay. Got a long race ahead of us here, so we get a nice launch out of 4. 3 wide right now, trying to get around the 54. And we will clear the 54 truck. Left a little bit there so we didn't hit the wall. Get back inside the top 10 here. We have a top tier truck here. Definitely have a shot at a top 10, maybe a top 5 depending on the long run pace. I mean, we just shoot out of a cannon on the outside of 4. Holy crap. We have really good pace as we're getting to the 43, and we'll clear him. Good run so far. We're inside the top 10, 3, 6, 7, 8th, I believe, right now. So it looks like we are back up to where we started. Nope, now we're in P8. So far, truck feels fine, but it's still just the beginning of the end we got, or beginning, not the beginning of the end, beginning of the run here. Ron Hornaday, that's right. Get to his inside here and get behind Butch Miller as well. And the Rebestos 98. Those two trucks look basically identical. Walker, Evans, and the... Yeah, they pretty much are identical by the looks of it. Side by side with Butch Miller here. Get up to another Butch. Butch Gilliland will shoot to the inside, try to. Kind of psyched him out there a bit. Getting the truck to rotate, starting to slowly become a bit of a struggle. Overshoot one just a little bit there. Got 13 to go in stage 1 here. Trying to get to Joe Ruttman there in the 84. We're driving the 31 truck today and for this entire season. Don't know why I chose this truck, but I just did, so it is what it is. We got 15 laps of fuel, so we can make it to the end of stage 1 here. Now stage 2, I don't think we will be able to. Gonna be a little bit more patient out of 4. It's starting to plow on eggs. I tried to loosen it up as best as I could, the setup wise at least. But it just seems a little too not enough, if you will. Huge run out of 2 there. We'll shoot to the inside. A little tight on the 94. Joe Ruttman. 84, not 94, sorry. And we'll clear for 4th on lap number 10. Now, you guys may be hearing it's EA spotter, and yes, I'm currently actually working on that, so that's why it's kind of a mix of Chad Canals and the EA spotter. Still kind of working on it as we speak, so I'm hoping to release that by the end of the month. Shout out to Drive-Thru for letting me use his audio files for the iRacing version of this spotter pack. Basically, I'm just kind of porting it over into NR 2003, so it's not too hard to do, but it is very time-consuming and gets very boring very quickly, so I haven't put a whole lot of time into it yet. However, for the most part, what I have done does indeed work, so that is always a good thing. Come to 8 to go in stage 1. I'm going to try to get around this 90 truck before the end of the stage. To the inside here. Definitely going to have the advantage into 3. We'll clear actually beforehand. And the dog leg there and the kink, whatever you want to call it. We actually have really good pace right now, up to 3rd. Qualified 8th here, running on 92% AI difficulty.
31.439. Up to 3rd, buddy.
There's the 6 of Rick Corelli there. So yeah, we're gonna hit the wall. Oh, we almost just did. Oh, a little too far on that curve there. Or in the grass. That very well could have ended us right there. Car is not the greatest on the short run, but on the long run, seem to be cruising along here pretty good. So what I meant by 1995 Super Season, it's not just the 95 Truck Series that we're running here. We're gonna like combine a couple different schedules and a couple of tracks that I would just want to see on the schedule. So next race we're gonna go to is going to be a mile and a half probably. And I know some tracks that'll be on the schedule won't have even been built in 1995. But this is just for fun, so I can do what I want here. We're just running the 1995 trucks at tracks wherever we want to. And if the track was built beforehand, we'll run a historically accurate track like this one. We're on 1997 Phoenix. Because it was the closest one I had to it, already downloaded it, and didn't feel like downloading another Phoenix track. So, simple as that. 4 more laps to go in stage number 1. If we can get away with the stage win, get an early playoff point, that would be awesome. And yes, there are playoffs in this mini series thing we're gonna do. So we're gonna I don't know if we're gonna do 36 different tracks or what. I feel like that'd be pretty dope to do. 36 different tracks for every single race. And that might be what we end up doing. And there's 3 laps. There's a notification for 3 laps until stage ends. So 3 more miles left here at Phoenix Raceway. Enjoy this track. So we're hunting down Walker Evans here for the potential stage win here. Coming to the white flag in stage 1. It's going to pull away from us a little bit there, right out of 4. It is 1 lap until the stage is ended. We want to make a move, we got to make it now. Try to get a good run here. Massive run out of turn 2.
Outside. There you go. All clear.
I think he's going to get it here, boys. Yep. Walker Evans is going to get the stage win.
31.869. Caution. The fuck is the caution for?
Alrighty, guys. We are going green this time by... We are going to have 24 laps to go in stage 2. We have 22 laps of fuel, so we are definitely going to need just like a splash of fuel. So what I think, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pit with around like lap 30-ish just for fuel. And hopefully we can capitalize on the AI potentially taking tires too. So we shall see if our strategy works out for us. We're going to run a couple laps green though first. Gary Collins, he stayed out in his number 74 Collins Motorsports Chevrolet Silverado. I think they were Silverado. I don't care. Don't know. I don't know. I don't care. But he is one lap down, I believe. No, he's no laps down, but he's about to be because I'm about to pass him.
And that lap car up there. Outside. 12.916. Still there on your quarter outside. Okay, up top. Whatever you need.
I remember how loose the car was the first time we went in through the cold tires, so just kind of took it easy that time around. Try this high lane here.
Car inside. Stay high, man. 3 wide. Watch the inside. There you go. All clear. Watch the inside.
Car just still not that great.
33.
I don't want to make a 3 wide pass right now. Maybe later on down the road. Still pretty early on here. Got Butch Gilliland giving us some pressure for third here.
Outside.
Oh!
Still there.
Oh, geez. Walker Evans and Gary Collins making some geese pitting. Okay, that could have been bad. I kind of figured he had to pit soon. He stayed out. I had 4 laps of fuel left. Oh, Jesus, that could have ended very badly for that 20 truck. Yeah, we were not good on the short run here. So, expected to lose a few spots. Hopefully we can gain them back eventually. It's there. Try to go for second here from Corelli.
Still there at your door. Still out there. Still there at your
Oh
door.
my gosh, we are side by side. For second, we'll clear Rick Corelli. The 20 to go here in stage 2. So we're gonna get back to the 20 truck here. We'll get once we pass the 20 truck, we'll bring it down pit road for our stage 2 pit stop here. It's a pit wall. Oh boy.
Alright, now let's keep those guys behind you.
See if we can lead a green flag lap here. We just cannot power down out of 4.
30.923.
Yeah, we're just gonna take a splash of fuel for sure. Yeah, we just don't have that turn 4 exit speed that we had in the first half. I don't know why. I did not make any adjustments to the truck after stage 1 there. But I mean, turn 1 entry, we are flying. So we can get to his inside here. We do. Hard into turn 3. patient with it there.
Still there at your door.
I think we did make a little bit of contact.
30.9.
We're going to lead our first green flag lap of the race there. And we're going to hit the wall.
Sure enough, that's gonna run the tires, guys. That's all we gotta do here. Watch the inside. Still inside. All clear inside.
Try not to speed on pit road here.
Clear speed 45, 35 under second.
Here we go, 45.
Watch your speed, watch your speed. 35 under
Let's
second.
hope that this strategy does work out for us here. We literally need just 2 laps of fuel here. Oh no, I was not paying attention.
Back
Oh.
up, back up, back up.
Just give me a splash of fuel so I can go.
Go back, go back, go. Clear speed 45, 35 under second. Go, go, go. Get out there, go, go, go.
Alright, we're not going to go a lap down. Which is exactly what I wanted. Let's not go a lap down. And are we good? We got 15 laps, 14 to go. Maybe we should have taken half a can. Oh, no.
51.955.
We got 14 laps of fuel. It's going to be very close here, guys. We are going to have to, like... Oh, jeez, okay.
Filling up with fuel.
Oh yeah, we'll get 2 cans next pit stop and maybe fix some damage as well. At the stage break, but for now we gotta hustle.
31.587.
Nice and quick and easy pit stop there for us. Just gotta wait for everybody else to come down pit road then.
Fix it up on the next stop, guys. We
All
gotta
right.
get him in and out as fast as we can.
Get that damage fixed from smacking the wall there. So let's see if we can pull away from those guys behind us.
0.300.
Hopefully we capitalized good enough to be able to get the stage win here. Although I just realized that they're not going to pit at the end of the stage then. Aw, crap. We prioritize stage points over anything, everything.
31.434.
Gained a little bit of time there. If we can just run faster laps than they do, then I think that'll be okay. Maybe gain past a couple of trucks here shortly as well. So, to further elaborate on how the point system will work, it's just how modern NASCAR is in today's day and age. Along with the playoff format, we will be doing that. So if we, so if we win the race here tonight, then we can lock ourselves into the playoffs early on. So we'll have 26 races until then. So we definitely have some time to work our way up in points. So we got 9 laps here, coming to 3 laps. We have 9 laps to go on fuel as well. So they probably have around 7 laps, so they'll be pitting shortly, I would assume. 8 laps to go in stage 2 here, folks. Definitely think prioritizing stage points maybe wasn't the best of all ideas, because we're going to lose all of our track position. And there's a couple trucks on pit road now. So we're going to gain a couple of spots there.
Doing good. Be nice.
Back inside the top 20.
One at a time. Good job, man. Nice and solid. Okay, so
Just keep rotating well. Just pay attention to our fuel for now.
outside.
Slide by Mike Skinner.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Watch the inside. Leader is.
Alrighty guys, we're going green this time around. This isn't gonna end the stage. Okay, so we have 3 laps left of stage 2, and then it's gonna be, we're gonna go green with 2 to go. We'll have 2 laps until the stage ends, basically. So we're gonna have to hopefully capitalize, gain a couple more spots, maybe crack the top 10, get 1 or 2 stage points. That's the goal. So I'm gonna be pushing a little more than I should here, but hey, gotta do what you gotta do.
Outside. Hook on the bottom, 3 wide. Outside. Hook on the bottom, 3 wide. Outside. There you go, all clear.
Don't know how many lap cars were in that group there, but I know at least one of them was for position. Coming to the white flag in stage 2 this time around. We're so tight.
31.872.
We're up to 13th here. The 81 is for position. The 7 is for position.
Outside.
This is for 12th.
Still out there. Caution. What the fuck is the caution for?
Caution's out for the stage there.
Keep going, keep going. Still there.
And P12, stage 2. There it is. Alrighty guys, we are 1 to green, and before we go, we are going to discuss pit strategy here. So we have 8 laps short of making it to the end here. So obviously not taking tires didn't really work all that well for us last time because we were almost short. However, I think we might be able to pull that off. Granted, it's going to be a 28-ish lap run, 26 if you want to be exact, so maybe we should take tires. But I'm thinking if we pit around with 10 laps to go, no, we'll just take tires. We'll pit with 10 laps to go, and then we'll go from there. So we'll have 17 laps on these tires basically before we do end up going back down pit road. And hopefully that'll be enough. Before lap 60, by lap 60 I mean, I would like to be inside the top 15, so 7 cars and 9 laps. I think we can do it, make it happen. So here we go. Going to be concentrating here on this restart. Green flag is out. Ken Schrader. No one really gets going on these restarts. We just got to be careful not to pass them before the start finish line. Now it's free game.
Still there on your quarter outside. Still there at your door.
Already back inside the top 20 here. Early on, Butch Gillen with the bit check, and we're going to go to his outside here.
Still there at your door. There you go.
Made some pretty massive adjustments to the truck. I hope we went the right way here.
Watch the inside. Go around your quarter there. 31.873. Outside. Outside.
Lock up there into 1. I'm pushing very hard right now.
Get back up there. Pick them off one at a time.
Alright, we gotta back it off a little bit. Gonna be 3 wide. Sammy Swindell. Okay, we're good.
All clear inside.
I think we're already gonna be a top 15 in like 2 laps. Alright, dang. Got Swervin' Irvin up here in front of us. We get around him. He's the 15th place car. I think he'll be the 14th place car now. Yep. Peek to his inside here.
Outside.
Get the run off of 2 to his inside. We're looking for 14th here. To lift a little bit there.
All clear up top. Whatever you need.
And 14th is ours. 4.5 seconds off of the race leader as of right now. Well, as of last lap. And this lap, did we gain or lose?
31.345.
Lost a little bit, but we gained position, so that's a W in my eyes. Jesus, I can't speak. 3 wide, Derek Cope and Craig Hortson? Hortson? Not sure.
All clear up top, Lenny.
Definitely think we have a good truck right now. Not everybody pitted under that last caution. I don't think, at least.
Car inside. Hold on, just hold it there. 31.600. All clear inside. Car inside. There you go.
Thank you, Rick Corelli. If Corelli did not hit me there, we would have been wrecking.
All clear inside.
So, thank you, sir, for your small boost. So, before even lap 60, we're going to be back inside the top 10 here at Phoenix Raceway. We'll have 20 laps to go next time by.
617. Catching a brother. Go get him. You're doing exactly what you need to do.
Those adjustments we made to the truck are definitely helping a ton here. Trying to look to the inside of Jeff Bodine into 3.
Still out there. Still there. Your door.
75 left the door open for us. We're going to sneak around the inside and go 2 for 2 in 3 and 4. Up to 8th.
0.257.
The 30. Is that Jimmy Hensley in the 30? I can't remember. No, it's Dennis Setzer in the 30. That's right. I can't remember. I'm getting my years mixed up, I think. I think Hensley was in the 30 in 03. Not sure, to be honest. Whoa. Bump Dennis Setzer up the track a little bit.
Still there. Your
Try to get the
door.
launch off of 4. Keep it off of him.
Still out
And we'll
there.
take 7th place.
31.170.
Mike Hurlbert now, our next truck to pass in his Ford F-150. 19 to go here at Phoenix. And 9 laps, we're going to make our stop here.
Outside. Still out there. There you go. All
So
clear.
I want to make up as much possible ground as we can. Last time I looked, we were 4.5 seconds back on the race leaders. Now we're almost 5.5, so...
31.071.
Oh, we gained a ton of
Outside.
time. 4.5 now.
Still there. Your door.
Bob Straight, we'll get around him back into the top 5 here at Phoenix now. Our truck is feeling really good after those adjustments. And honestly, I might go just a little bit further, although I don't want to take it too far. Is that,
Leaders on pit road.
oh, that was the race leader who just pitted there. Butch Miller
31.095.
on pit road.
Now let's keep this safe.
Alright, we're up to 4th then. 3 1/3 second back of the race leader, Jerry Glanville. I think that's everybody up in front of us there. Actually, maybe not. That might just be Kenny Wallace and maybe Walker Evans. To be honest, not sure.
31.
Nope, that's definitely everybody. Now that I'm looking at it. So, Butch Miller definitely took tires there because he is a lap down now. When we took just gas, we stayed on the lead lap. So, definitely going to take that one with us. We're going to pit with the race leaders here. So, whenever everyone else in front of us pits, that's when we will pit. I think that's a lap car pitting there.
Good job, my man. You go up there and take
That's the leader. Never mind.
Keep it up. 31.248. Go get it, buddy. Go
Make sure
get
we're
it.
not repairing damage there.
Sure nothing's gonna rub the tires, guys. That's all we gotta do here.
15 laps to go here at Phoenix. It's all going to come down to pit strategy. Guessing the 20 is pitting there. Is that the 20? I think so. No, not pitting. He's just running that bottom lane. So that 84 of Joe Ruttman is a lap down.
31.0.
At least I think that's Joe Ruttman there, that red truck. Yep. Either way, the red truck there is a lap down. Doesn't matter who it is. They're a lap down. It's going to allow me to shoot. past Kenny Wallace and Rutman, and Rutman's gonna wreck us. So, okay. A little bit of issues there with our 31 truck. Not out of it yet here. We definitely have a good truck still. Got a pace for a top 3 finish. We got 5 laps to the red. That's one way to say it, I guess. 13 to go here. Still gonna stick with my lap 10 or 10 to go pitch strategy. Gained about 7/10 that lap. We are the fastest truck on the track for sure right now. I don't even care about the guys that have already pitted. We are flying. Just glad we saved it from that incident with Joe Rutman there for no reason. Don't know why he did that to us. 7/10 of a second gained there. We are really pushing right now. Now is Evans gonna pit? Yes, he is.
Good job, my man. You go up there and take it from him now.
Alright, we're gonna pit this time around. Don't know when Kenny Wallace is gonna pit.
Good job, my man. You go up there and take it from him now.
We'll see if we can maybe inch away with the race lead here. Just before we pit. We'll have it for at least a couple seconds.
Leader is the next car back. Be smooth. There you go. All clear. Outside. All clear up top. Whatever you need. Here, speed 45, 3500 seconds.
Alright, we cannot miss our box.
37.
4 tires, fuel.
Watch your speed.
Taking a can and a half here. I thought we were going to have to back up there. Oh boy, here comes Rick Corelli. Down pit road, the 06, Butcher Gilliland coming down.
Go back, go, go back, go. Leader's off the road. Clear for speed 45. Second. Go, go, go.
We just got royally screwed right there.
Go, go, go. Watch the inside.
I don't know where we're going to be position-wise. Looks like we came out 5th here. That 81 is a truck we do need to pass. We're 31 seconds off the race leader. Never mind, the 90 is right in front of us.
1.002. Outside. Still out there. Look to the bottom. 3 wide. Outside. Still out there.
The third.
Still there at your door.
Please, lifeguard, don't pit. Thank you. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Quarter outside. And that lap car up there. 31.615. Go get it, buddy. Go get it, man. You're faster than he is. Good job, man. Nice and solid. Take care of yourself. I'll clear up top, whatever you need.
Coming to 5 laps to go this time. Do we have enough to gain on the leaders? They're both just right there in front of us. There's Walker Evans just in head. And then right in front of him is Butch Miller. At least it should be, because they're only 3 seconds ahead. Yeah.
5 laps to go. 30.840.
In about half a second there. 5 laps to go. Our truck is on freaking fire right now, guys. We haven't led a whole lot of laps today. We had a lot of just problems. That was almost another one.
Caution.
That is not what I wanted to see.
Bye, Rick. Keep going, keep going.
Race is not going to go back green.
The
Race is over. We could have won. Rodney comes. He had to DNF because of an accident. Well, sucks for him. He pitted as we were coming out of our pits. Couldn't be me. So the next couple of races are going to be Iowa, Kentucky, and then we'll go to Walt Disney World. Screw it. Let's mix it up. Let's go to Walt Disney World after Pocono. But after Walt Disney, or not Pocono, after Kentucky. But after that, I don't know what tracks we're going to do. I will for sure put everything in the description below and the playoffs and such. We're going to have 16 drivers instead of just the regular 10 that the Truck Series does have in real life. We'll have 16, and we'll go from there. So, third place finish to start the race season. The 1995 Super Season is definitely not a bad way to kick it off. And I'll make sure to... I'm not going to do points and results after this race because it's the first race. Points are just pretty much going to mimic how they are in the actual results here, except for stage points are going to mix it up a little bit. We might lose a few spots in the points. Might be like top 10, maybe not top 5. Definitely won't be third or first here, because Walker Evans, he won stage 1, and I think he got top something. I don't know if he got any stage points actually in stage 2. I'm not too sure, but gonna end the race off here, folks, and end the video off as well. Butch Miller is gonna come home with the win, locking himself into the playoffs. Look at how similar those two trucks are. Like, holy crap. But anyways, Butch Miller is one of 16 drivers locked into the playoffs already out of the gate here, folks.
Checker flag, bud.
We'll come home third today, and I'll see you guys in the next episode at Iowa.